Presenting Mi 4A Pro 32-inch HD-ready Android LED TV in the color black. This HD-ready Android TV with the refresh rate of 60 Hz makes your viewing experience delightful. The maximum viewing distance of this Mi TV is 10 feet. Powered by Android 9 operating system, this smart TV works with voice search and features Patchwall, Netflix, Prime Video, Disney+, Hotstar, and Data Saver. The Mi TV features 3 USB ports for easy connectivity. The 20-watt audio output with Dolby plus DTS HD ensures clear sound. Inside the box, you will find one LED TV, one tabletop stand, one user manual, one warranty card, one remote control, one power cable or power supply adapter. The TV comes with standard brand warranty. For EMI options, refer to product detail page. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. 10 days return or replacement policy for damaged or defective product. You can schedule the delivery per your convenience. Prime members get free delivery. Amazon will coordinate with brand for installation within 48 hours of delivery. For further information, visit the product detail page.